Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to everyone that watched my last video. You guys rocked, and so this video is like a follow-up, like an update. Should I say part two? Because I'm not sure. It's a serious thing. So I want to say welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you will know when I make a post and so you don't miss it. And if you're returning subscribers, I love you. Welcome back once again to my channel. So I actually have something for you at the end of this video. You want to stay to the end to hear what I have. So let's get right into the video. Hello, welcome back once again. So today's video is for those that want to make money from Shortlet, say Airbnb, but don't have a property. Yes, so if you want to make money from Shortlet, if you want to make money from rental property, and you don't have a property, this video is for you. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you steps and how I was able to do that without owning a unit, without owning a property. So you don't have to be a landlord to start making money in Nigeria. So today I'm going to be talking about co-hosting. Yes, co-hosting. So let's go right into what co-hosting is. So what is co-hosting? Basically co-hosting is when like somebody or like an agent helps landlord property owners manage their rental through Airbnb property. Yes, so that means you handle everything that has to do with booking, reservation of the property, the state of the property. You have to know and have updates on the property. So co-hosting is majorly like you just finding investors that has property and they really don't have time for the property. You know, some people they just have property for shortlet and they really don't know how to go about running the shortlet thing. So that's where you come in as a co-host. You meet an investor and you tell them, oh, you would like to manage the property for them. You let them see what you can offer. You let them see that, okay, this is what I can generate for you monthly. Just basically having to run someone's own property for them as a shortlist. So this is where co-hosting comes in. So if you don't have a property, don't think, oh, you need to go and start renting before you furnish and all that. No. So just look for somebody that has property. For example, maybe those in diaspora that their properties are like empty, you can just talk to them, said, okay, you know what, instead of the property should just be there to avoid depreciation, why don't I help you manage your property and enjoy cash flow? Then you make them see the benefit. You also make them see that, okay, this can be some little disadvantage and advantage. So yes, so that's what co-hosting is. Yeah, so now we are going to move on to the next one, how I started. So how I started was um I've always loved hospitality. In fact, I am a hospitality member in church whereby we welcome guests, first timer, our pastors, even when we have like a conference, when we invite other pastors, hospitality team is the one that take care of them. So I'm actually in that unit in church, so which is something I am doing now and I am making money from it. So I decided that I noticed that a lot of homeowners, they really don't like have enough audience on the property. I am trying to bridge the gap between Most property owners are like busy landlords, and they have other things they are doing. So I come in, I try to market the property. I'm more like a marketer, a property manager. So that's why I come in. I'll say, you know what, you just sit down, relax. Let me help you manage your property. Let me help you generate cash flow. We work hand in hand. And yeah, so that's how I literally started. And most time, to be honest, when I started, I didn't really get into like meeting house owners. Or I also started with my co-agents, those that have properties. I collaborated with them. So once I have a property request, I reach out to those that are connected to landlords, and that's just how I got started in this shortlet Airbnb stuff. So let's talk about the main source of this video. How much can you make as a co-host? So it depends on your time, it depends on your effort too. So you can make a reasonable amount. You can make 100k, 200k, 300k. It depends on your consistency also. You can make any amount you are determined to make per month. So there is how will I call it? There is something that we call our markup gauge. There's something we call our commission. Those are going to be, I may be happy, I may do that in a separate video, or I'm just going to go focus on this one right now. So how you can make money. So you can make between at least 10 to 25%, if I'm sure. And that should be around like maybe 100k, 200k, 300k, just from the comfort of your home, pressing your phone, being consistent, posting, and so imagine you are getting 100k or 200k from one property. Now times that times 5. So you can imagine how much you'll be making per month. Yeah. If you put in the work, because you have to put in the work. Don't think maybe you're just going to sit there and the money is going to become. No, you have to put in the work, from branding to marketing to guest experience. A whole lot of things goes to, like, what me I always tell my agent, what I always tell those that I surround myself with. It is the experience we are selling, not just the property. Customer satisfaction for me is my priority, because a satisfied client is like your walking billboard. They market you without you even knowing. So selling the experience actually is like one of my own tip I'm giving you guys now in marketing. So you have to do your market research. You have to know what and what is trending now. You have to know, and also know what your clients want. Don't give a client that wants a one bed in phase one, don't give them a two bed in Chevron or a Cartier. No, you have to learn to work according to clients' needs, work according to what they want as at then. Yeah. So regarding on how much you can make as much as you can and you are willing to on shortlets. Yeah. So, and the best part of all this is you don't need to rent, you don't need to buy property, you don't need to even be loan or anything. You just find resources, find those that have property, help them market their property, let them offer them that, okay, instead of your property being there just idle, why don't we make money? Why don't you enjoy cash flow? So yeah, everybody want to make money. That's just it. So is this for you? So if you have been thinking, if you have been saying, you know what, I need a side also, as the current economy is right now in Nigeria, one horse, one side income, two multiple. In fact, you need like 10 multiple streams of income to, be okay. Yes, to not for you not to be thinking of, oh, how will I survive? How will I do this? So if you want to do this, um this is for you. So if you want to do this, if you enjoy co-hosting, if you enjoy hosting people, if you just enjoy hospitality, so Shortlet is more like, all these hotel stuff. So most people, they don't want to go to hotel, they want to go to a place that feel like home. So that's where Shortlet comes in. And with Shortlet, we do not just even stay. You can host a podcast, you can do a shoot, you can hold an intimate dinner, birthday, proposal, so a whole lot you can do with Shortlet. So if you would like to join my Shortlet group, if you like to join the community, I want you to leave a comment below and I will reach out to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know I said I have something for you at the end of this video. So want to, take I want to give two people an opportunity to come into the shortlet industry. If you don't know about shortlet, or you've been into shortlet before, you left, that is Airbnb, you left probably because of how it is, you're not consistent. I want to like pick two people and hold their hands, give them step by step, guide by guide on how to do this. Yes, so we are going to do it together. Okay, so I want to say a big thank you for watching and staying till this moment. If you're here till now, you're an OG, and I love you, love you, love you, love you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and also like. Yeah, you can like, leave a comment, let me know what you learn, what you also like me to talk about next in the shortlet industry. So I want to say once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Some of the shortlet homes, I will take you on site to tour, and I may also show you how to do some listing. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. So in my next video, I'm be showing you like a behind the scenes of my day or my daily. This is for you. So hold on. Yeah, phone down off. So